Hello everyone, my name is Arpita Chaturvedi. Welcome to ResInsight Tutorials. This tutorial will give you a brief introduction to ResInsight graphical user interface. We'll start by importing a eGrid file by going to File menu and selecting one of recently used file. It will take some time to load depending on the size of your model. So ResInsight has two windows. The current window we are looking at is 3D window and we have property window. We can switch to property window by clicking the icon here. And then we can go back to 3D window by clicking the icon here. So this is the main window and here we see reservoir view. And this is the info box. We can turn it on or off by clicking here. And here we have project tree. So the purpose of project tree is to manage different views, models, and what property we see in the reservoir view. When we navigate through different items of project tree, the appearance of property editor also changes. And we can change the property for that item by changing the settings here. We can play the animation for the reservoir cell property by clicking the play button here. And we can also change the time step for which we are viewing reservoir view by clicking on drop down menu here. ResInsight comes with 4 different navigation modes and we can change the navigation mode by going to edit menu and clicking on preferences and then selecting the navigation mode of your choice. I'll continue with RMS mode. So in RMS mode, we can zoom in or out using left button of your mouse, hold the left button of your mouse and drag it up and down. We can also do so by scroll button of the mouse. We can change the position of reservoir view in this window by holding the right button of your mouse and moving it in the direction you want to. We can change the orientation by holding the scroll button of your mouse and then rotating the mouse in the direction you want to. We can also change orientation by clicking on one of these buttons in the quick access toolbar. This was all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.